think we should move the mic a little bit more to the left, right. Yo, chat, we back. We're back with another live today. So today we have a big, uh, high impact news today. CPI. Chat, is the mic sound okay? Bro, USD CAD already made it move, bro. Yesterday I told you guys that this was the low resistance liquidity run, and you can see within the I think 1, 2, 3, 4 candles within the next 4 hourly candles. It took out those sell side liquidities, bro. So now I have this one right here, but today I'll try to keep my hands off of the charts because I don't want to get into any bad situation like the previous week. Because previous week I lost one account because of the CPI. So yeah, I'll try to just stay calm um, when the news come out, bro. But if I see anything on the hourly or 15-minute chart, I'll probably get into one. But right now it's a very risky situation, bro. Whatever, by chat. Let's just get into it, bro. All right. Do we have anything on USD JPY? All right. Chat. I think USD JPY gonna take out the Asian session high first, then it would go low, more like this, during the CPI. Why market as in worse condition? Oh, which market are you talking about, bro? Um, is it Forex or the indices? By the way, chat, yesterday I told you guys for a setup on gold, and look at that, bro. I uh, checked the chart today, and I saw exactly it move where I told you guys to buy. I told you guys to buy when gold might take a swing low, and either wait for a candle closure above that high. And look at that, bro. Just look at that. It moved like, oh my god, like 51 points. Damn, bro. And today let me give you one other another like piece. So if we are bullish today on gold, just wait for the, yeah, wait for the Asian sessions low to be taken if we are bullish today. If we not, wait for this high to be taken. Either way, it's gonna move uh, the opposite direction. If we see a scenario like this on gold, gold might want to take out that high and then run for those relative equal lows on that prompt in on the Asian sessions. Yep. And another scenario would be like, I think we might gonna see like this one. I think gold can run more, bro. It just keep pushing and pushing, bro. But today I took a trade on GU. I guess I shared that on the channel. Uh, it's not even an hour right now. I think I already posted in on the channel. I uh, took a trade targeting that high right there. Um, yep, yeah. I had my limit order right above that high. Went long around here. My stop loss was below that low. Yeah, I was able to get that trade. It was during the last hour of the London session. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, just sub up, bro. What else do we have today? All right, we already seeing some manipulation right now. What you're doing, bro? Yeah, we we are already seeing some manipulation. We have that high, right? I think the best scenario would be if we take out that high on euro before the news. Uh, Euro probably gonna take a deep retracement lower. Now we have this SMT with GU right now, and we have that fair value gap right there, and we have the daily draw on liquidity right there as well. It might it can go higher right now and take out that high, but if we are bullish right now, uh, I don't want to see that happen right now. I want to see some lows taken first, then market should give us some chance to go long, bro. Let's just keep this like it, and let me do something else. By the way, chat, have you guys taken any trade during the London session? Or how's your week so far? How's your week so far, chat? And chat, we have the CPN news at 8:30, I guess. Yeah, we have the CPI news for CAT at 8:30. Then we have the retail sales news on DXY. CPI. I think USD CAT gonna take a bullish retracement during the news today. Where it is? Yeah, there it is. Chat B, keep your eyes on this high right there. Keep your eyes on this during the news. And we have this fair value gap. That's CB right there. You could see. If you're gonna trade USD CAD during the CPI news, keep your eyes on these two levels because we might see an aggressive move to that fair value gap uh, to grab all those buy stop above that high and then for a sharp fall. I trade CAD yesterday, but I have issues with discipline and I know I'm lazy to execute. Bro, how do you do backtest? From 3 hours, I'm holding on USD JPY. Yo, bro, I'm going short in gold, low resistance liquidity up to 3675. It's up to you, bro. If you wanna take a short on gold, and what I can say, bro, wait. Bro, if you have any issue with discipline, what can I say? Like you should probably trade less and yeah, be in front of your charts just when you're trading. Like uh, take 15 to 30 minutes of your from your day, and then those 15 and 30 minutes are only for your trading time. Uh, Except that, do not waste any time. If you see anything on those periods, 15 to 30 minutes, it could be during the London session, could be the New York session window. So if you see anything during that time, take a trade and get out. And but if you don't see anything, just yep, close the charts and do your regular thing, bro. Like that's the easiest thing I can tell, bro. There's no other like magic pills I can give you, bro. We all have that issue, bro. We all are humans. By the way, chat, USD CHF, I try to go short on that fair value gap on the 15-minute charts because I had that daily swing low as a target on USD CHF, but I missed that because I went to the shower at that time and I missed that. It was like almost, yeah, almost 12 pips, bro. Just missed that, bro. Today, there is no CPI today. Bro, there is a CPI for cat, bro. We have CPI news for cat. Let me show you. What the fuck? Alright. What the fuck? You see that? We have CPI news for cat. What are you even saying, bro? I'm in longs on EU for London sessions. From London session. Hmm. Chat, but we have like a high impact news for DXY at 8:30, bro. We have high impact news for DXY also, not only for CAT, but we have that for DXY at 8:30. So you might wanna wait for 8:30, bro. Don't rush to take any trade right now. Uh, Give it up. I think the best time when there is a high impact news is the 15 to 30 minutes before the news, because you will see some sort of manipulation during that time. So just wait for that window, bro. Like 15 to 30 minutes before the news. Enjoy the volatility. Go at price factory. In CPI, I'm buying USD CAD. I told you guys, it could go higher because we have taken some major low sell side liquidity there. That yeah, that was the low. This low, and we have that low also. This one, but during the CPI, I might want to see price tap into that uh, fair value gap. That's CPI right there, and then I'm might want to see some aggressive fall. Yep. All right. Yesterday, I let me pull up that for you. By the way, Chad, did anyone took this trade yesterday from the stream? Because it moved like almost 3 hour, bro. Did any of you like took this trade yesterday? on GBP. What the fuck is it? What the fuck? It tapped into that 15-minute BC right there and then went higher, bro. All right. Chad, if you want to go short on Euro or GBP, just wait for another price range. More like this, then you will have another price leg. Within that price leg, if you see any fair value gap and get a tap on that, just go short if you want to go short. But right now, what I'm saying, there's that's not a good idea to go short, bro. Yeah, yeah, it's not a good idea to go short, bro. I do not see anything right now. It might like go higher. I want to see GU just go higher from here, but if it fails to take out that high right there, that would be the indication that GU might go lower from there. It might want to take some retracement. Just wait for a failure swing here. Wait for a failure swing around this level. Man, my reason for short EU is check on daily EU chart. We have equal highs. Market for it's a beautiful entry. Bro, I know that, bro. I have those two level on my chart, bro. Don't you see this? I have one right there, daily high, and another swing high level right there. But what I'm telling you right now is that we have that one right there. We have draw on liquidity. Do you even know what draw on liquidity means? Because market's only gonna draw to that high, that specific high. For me, within this direction right now, I'm not gonna look for any short because I'll probably just wait for a retracement down. But within this price leg, let me show you how I trade. Within this price leg towards that drawn liquidity, I'm not gonna take any short. Even if we have like 30 to 20 pips of retracement, I'm not gonna go short. I'll only look for longs because you could clearly see, bro, this these candles you see right there, 1 2 3 4, each of them are very bullish, bro. Then what's the indication right there? It's going for some specific level right now. So if might take up that high, then fall. The best thing would be like wait for that high to be taken. Just wait for that high to be swept, then you could take a little bit retracement down there. But it's up to you. I have my own viewpoint on charts. Let me just take it off. Second and third July equal highs. Just go on. Chat. Do not trade the high resistance liquidity ones, bro. Just by seeing this price leg right there, high, low, high, low, high. Let me mark that out for you. that price range there. What do you think? Why market is trading like that in that zone? Because it doesn't want to go lower, bro. Because that's a high resistance liquidity run. So why you want to be in that trade where market doesn't want to go, bro? Just be in that direction where market want to go, bro. You see all those bullish movement, just watch them, bro. How clean was that? Was those every bullish move, bro, from this low to that high. Again, during the Asian session, every bullish move within that daily price range were very clean. If you compare that with those retracement, and right now we have a SMT right there. So for me, I really want to see that high to be taken. That high is gonna gravitate price towards it, bro. Just wait and watch. That high right there, that daily high, is gonna gravitate price, bro. Oh, let me just take this off too. Do we have anything on? All right, we have that this one. Let me just use that one. All right, we didn't tap into the OTE level yet. Maybe on the 15-minute time frame. No, we did not tap into the OTE right now on that range. I want to see two things right now on euro. It might just go higher from here, or we might see another manipulation like that. Let me just explain. We might see euro take out a low, where GU might fail to take out that low. That will be the right time to go long, bro. I've been shaking, drinking all this coffee. This last few weeks I've been exhausted. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, just sub up, bro. What are you even doing? Sub up and join the Discord community. There is a link in the description, and yep, go and follow me on X. We're too close to hit the 500 followers. Yep. If you wanna go long, you can right now, but you will have to have a bigger stop loss on that trade. Just put your stop loss right below there. It's gonna be a big stop loss, but that's the safer place to put your stop loss, bro. We might see another manipulation taking that low right there. I've been shaken, waking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come true? True. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come true? Yo, just man. Alright, it's moving right now. Bro, Geo's gonna be like super quick, bro. But this one right here, almost 24 points, chat. Keep in mind, it's almost 24 points. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Alright, it already moved like 1 hour, bro. It already moved like how much pips is that? Damn, bro, it already moved like 10 pips right there. Did anyone take that trade? Chat, did any one of you take that trade? Or you're just still waiting on something though? Keep in mind that we have one breaker right here. That could be a second add-on. You could add some more to the trade from there. Yeah, and right now I think no, just keep your stop loss right there. If it's a win, it will be a win, or if it's a L, it's gonna be a. Just wait. You need to be patient, baby. First, I was short. I stopped out. Bro, you are too like aggressive, bro. Don't mind, but you should wait. You should work on your patience, not your discipline, but on your patience. Discipline, like just as you got stopped out, do not take any more trade. Just stop, bro. Uh, So there's a technique that I use for myself, like. Uh, there's like two session I love to trade. Like one is London session and another one is New York session. So if I get a win on London session, I'm not gonna take a trade on the New York session. Uh, just okay, it tapped on that breaker right now. I'm not gonna take a trade during the New York session, but if I get a loss on the London session, what I usually do, I would decrease my risk by half, bro. So that if that trade goes to if that trade like hit my targets, I'll like have 1:2 a trade. So I might uh, uh, back my loss on that trade. Come on, go. Much of is 70 and we have damn bro, what the fuck just happened? Damn, why do we have like 184 and 80? Was it 80? And DJ had like 80. No, alright. I was wrong. Are we in the trade? Maybe, maybe not. I'm on, yeah, I'm on Euro. I'm long on Euro chat. Bro, look at that, bro. What the fuck? Is the cat just gonna go lower and lower today? USD JPY looks good so far. Alright, we have taken out the low on USD CHF. What the fuck? Alright, gold. Chad, you can go long on gold. That's up to you. If you trade gold, you can go long because we have taken out that swing low right there. You will see later when we pull up the gold chart. You will see that we moved higher from here. Bro, I found out one thing on gold that every time we took out some swing low prior to some big move, price just kept moving, bro. Just look at that uh, during the Asian session. Let me just take this off. We took out that swing low right there. Price went higher, bro. Though during the London session, we haven't taken out any swing low. Why? Because we had this buy side to be taken, bro. That swing high right there, we had to take that out. So price created another swing low before the New York session, and now price just swept that low, and right now it's moving higher. If you want to go long, you can, but keep a low risk, bro. All right, Euro, do not disappoint me today, bro. Do not disappoint me today. Mm. If I get a breakthrough that high right there, I'll take something off of the trade, bro. Like, just give me a breakthrough that high, I'll take something off. My stop loss will be still right below that low, bro. I'm not gonna trail the stop loss yet, because we might see some more manipulation like this. So I have two scenario on this trade that I'm okay with. I'll just let it run, bro. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna force that trade. I've been shaking, drinking all this coffee. This last bit, it's something exhausting. I'm lost in imagination. And there's one thing that only from you can come true. See. What the fuck? Alright, so we are about to hit our first partial there. Chat, we're about to hit that partials. I'll see how we react after taking that high. Uh, but I'll obviously take like 30 to 40% off of the trade as soon as we hit that target, bro. That for sure. What the fuck? Let me just request that to. All right, we're about to hit our first partial. All right, we've hit our first partial right there. I'm gonna take something off. All right, chat, I just took something off of the trade. Let's see how this spread run from there. There, bro. What? Chad, have you guys taken the partials? I took 50% off. All right, great, bro. Great. That's really great, bro. Always pay yourself, whatever wherever the trade runs. If it runs towards your trade directions, at least 50% of the direction, just take something off. Because now if this trade goes against me, I'm okay with it because I've paid myself on that trade. Bro, mine is 0 point. How can I take partials? Bro, right then if we don't see the run up to that high within the next 3 to 4 candles, just close the trade. Whatever profit it's floating right now, within the next 3 to 4 candle, if price doesn't move to that high, just get out of the trade, bro. Yeah, bro, I know he can't take partials. Bro, you should like save some money and yeah, at least have a like $500 on your account. 0.01 is just too small, bro. Even if you like make 100 trade, it's not that much money. You should have like some part-time job from where you could save some money, and you could probably get some funded account or just like increase the capital, bro. Because with that small amount, you're not gonna be like, I'm not gonna have like crazy return, bro. That's the unfortunate truth, bro. Chat, we have like 30 minutes for the news, bro. Alright, let's see how he reacts from that high. I might just uh, trail my stop loss a little bit more, like here. Yep. What the fuck are you doing, bro? I've been drinking all this coffee, this last few weeks, and it's exhausting. Lost imagination. There's one thing that I need from you. Can you come so free? All right, chat. I don't want to see like price all the way come back right now. So I'll just put my stop loss maybe right there. You can trail your stop loss right below that low. I'll just do it just a bit small. Yeah, right there. So you're almost like risk free on that trade right now. Yep. If the news hit right now, I'm okay, bro. Why the fuck? We did capture like 10 pips right there. Bro, it's almost like 12 pips, 12.9 pips, like 13 pips right on that trade, bro. And it moved like, how much point did it move? It moved like 15 pips, bro. If you haven't taken anything, then what can I say, bro? Got it, thanks. All right. Oh, I get it now. The thing that I talked about, like your capitals. Cause bro, why I said that? Cause I've gone through that same thing, bro. Like I when I first got into this trading thing, I first started with crypto. So I did like 50 deposited like $50 on my trading account on Binance and traded it within 2 days. I blew the account, bro. And that time I did not even have any job. So you could understand how much pain that cost me, bro. So just wait patiently. Like if you can, then like have a part-time job, and then just build your capital day by day, little by little, bro. So that's it, bro. Because there will be time when you're gonna like, if you stick to this for long, then there will be a time when you can just open the chart and make a couple $100, bro. All right, we have like 18 minutes, 28 minutes left for the news. What's GU doing right now? All right. Uh, Even if euro take out that low right there, there is a high probability that gonna fail to take out that low, and it's probably gonna run higher from that fair value gap. I'm gonna let me just mark that out for you. Right there. Even if we like see a drop down below that swing low on euro, GU is gonna fail. But there is a high chance we could just like go from here and take up that high. By the way, chat, 24 minutes left. No, sorry, 26 minutes left for the news. Be careful with your trading right now. I'm break even at 117, 1.17982. 1.17982. 982. All right, almost here. You're at break even, bro. I think we might. I'm not sure about that, but we might see a swipe that below that low. Okay, I'm okay with that, but because I have taken here like 40% off of that high right there. But if I see something that price is gonna take out that low, I'm gonna cut the trade right now, and I'll probably get into another one if we see some SMT like this. I'm sure if we go down on euro and take out that low, I'm sure the juice gonna tap into one of these fair value gap and run higher, bro. Just remember that, bro. Breaking all this color. This last feels something exhausting. We did took support off of that breaker right there, bro. We did took some support off of that. Let me just mark that out. Right there, that's the breaker right there, bro. If we mark the bodies only, that more like that. Mm-hmm. Damn, bro. Damn, damn, damn. All right. Chad, let's have a look at gold. What did gold did? All right, gold took out that high right there. Bro, it's gonna move higher. I'm damn sure that it's gonna move higher. We have taken out that high. Now I want to see as failure swing within that fair value gap. After that, it's gonna go higher, bro. I think like gold is gonna hit 4,000, bro. We have another big number right there, 3,700 right there. We have a big round number right there. Then we have like 20, 3,720. Bro, there are some big numbers right there. So yeah, it might just keep going higher and higher, bro. All right, we tapped into a bullish order block on euro. See how we react off of those levels on euro. If we don't see any like uh, rejection, I mean any support off of those levels, you could just close the trade. See, Geo's not willing to go lower, bro. What I say, you're gonna see that if uh, Euro and Geo is gonna manipulate today before the news, you're gonna see that type of thing, bro. Just make sure you hurt me, bro. What the fuck? Let me just. That's more a choiceable color right there. See, Chad, that's why I usually have like these huge stop loss. Because I would see something that price is gonna indicate that we might see some manipulation, and I would have time. If that manipulation fails, I would have time to get out of the trade. But if I have a tiny stop loss like that, it won't even give me a chance to think about that, because it might just stop me out and then go higher, bro. It might. Chat, just get out of this trade, bro. If you haven't taken partials of that high, it's up to you, but you should wait for another opportunity, bro. Just wait for another opportunity. So we're gonna tap into the OTE level, bro. We're gonna tap into the OTE, and we're gonna take out this low. I'm kind of sure that we might take out that low, and one level is there. Let me just take this to the right, bro. Chad, if we take out that low right there, as soon as we invalidate that low right there, we're gonna take out this low and maybe form a SM to a G and then go higher. Yeah, I want to see that type of scenario right now on G. I mean Euro. Euro will go to the July high, bro. I know, bro. That's the high right there, 1.18299. I'm bullish on Euro and GBP this whole month, I guess. All right, as soon as we invalidate that low right there, we're gonna see some SMT, and yeah, you can go long after that. Just like the previous setup, put your stop. You will have to put your stop loss right below that low, and you can go long. But we haven't used chat. Keep in mind that we haven't used at 8:30. I want to see that swing low formation before 8:30. If we don't see something like that, just don't take the trade because we might see a weak right down there, and that's gonna scare the shit out of you, bro. GU's not lagging, bro. What GU's doing? GU have those high objective also there. GU already took out the sell stop right there. So smart money gonna get out of those trades right above that high. So it might take a retracement within that price leg and then move higher towards that target. But if you look at Euro didn't took out that low right there. So all the stop loss who went long on that low right there, after that breakout there, they put their stop loss right below that low. Let me just show you that. They trailed their stop loss right below that low. So I want to see price like swipe that low. At that time we're gonna see some SMT and then price will go higher. All right, we invalidated that low right there, that low. Now I want to see something, bro. Come on. Either we're gonna see some SMT like this or like this, and I'm sure about that. Bro, just let me just Euro. I didn't say that, bro. That Euro's not like what, not strong or weak. I said that we're gonna see some manipulation. Why we're gonna see that manipulation on Euro? Because Euro have that high to reach, bro. But Geo has already taken some major buy side liquidities. So now, right now, it doesn't want to go lower, bro. We're gonna see the cleanest move on Euro today. Why? Because we're gonna sweep a low before the news, and the high on Euro is too clean, bro. That's the lowest liquidity run, low resistance liquidity run on Euro. If you ask me, though, just give me a sweep below that low. Come on. Motherfucker. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream if you find this live stream helpful to your analysis, or if you learn anything from this stream, just give a thumbs up and yep, sub up, bro. All right, chat, we tapped into the first one right there. Euro still didn't took out that low right there. Let me just take this off. Just draw the OT on your on GU within this price range. When the news hits, you're gonna see something, and there's nothing to thank me about that, bro. Just keep the OT on GU price like. Chat, give me a moment. Let me just. I think the mic gonna be on just the face cam for a couple minutes, I guess. How many of you are trading on PCs right now, chat? How many of you are trading on big screens? I trade on my laptop. Yep, that's it. Swizzle and buy below that low, bro. Wait for euro to take up that low, and yeah, wait for just a swing low to form right there. As soon as you see the third one, you can go long targeting that high and put your stop loss right below that. Just wait. Let me just take this off. PC, bro. Bro, there's something that ICT once said, like, you will never be profitable trading on smartphone. Like, I learned ICT over 6 months only on my smartphone, but he is, the thing is true, bro. Really, you can't see like enough information on your smartphone. That's like pure gambling, bro. If you trade on your phone, do your analysis on your phone, that's pure gambling. At least you have to have a bigger view on those charts, bro. All right, there it goes. There it goes, bros. I trade on laptop, bro. I also trade on laptop, bro. Like, there's always some reason behind everything I see you say, bro. Like, he's not against smartphone trading. You can use a smartphone to execute the trade, but you you can't like do the analysis on your smartphone, though. Chad, you know what? I started this my journey first with a phone that was broken. I still have that. Then I shifted to a PC. It was like 150 bucks, I guess. You could imagine how bad that PC was. I just used to like, I only had like trading view and shortcut video editors. If you search on Chrome, you would find that that's like a 64 mega Mbps, not 54 MB file to like just cut some video files. So I had these two things on that PC. If I did anything else on the PC, the PC just went shut, bro. So yeah, it was really a hard time for me from that situation to right now where I am. I'm always grateful to God that yeah, He gave me a lot, bro. Bro, I already told you guys that Geo's not gonna take out that law, and I explained it. Just go back to the live stream and listen what I said. That might gonna help you in your trading, bro. You might just read price like a real smart money trader, bro. Just go back to the stream and yeah, listen to what I said. I'm not like being cocky, but yeah, that's something I should always say, bro. Look at that, bro. Just look at that. It tapped into the second fair value gap, and we will. Let me just check on the 15-minute time frame. Did we tap into the OT? No, we did not, bro. It will tap on the OT, bro. What if we take the swing highs? It did not. Or we might see like this one. Bro, if GU failed to take out that low right there, we see a swing low formation within that second fair value gap. That means this price range here, the 5-minute price leg from this swing low to that swing high, that OT, that's an OT setup, bro, on GU. But at that same time, you should look at like Euro take out that same swing low that GU failed to take out. Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream. Uh, let's hit how many? Maybe 50 likes on this stream. There's not too many viewers on the stream right now, so yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream and let's make it a 50 likes. Chad, Euro took out that low right there, the first swing low. The first swing low you see there, Euro already took out that low. I want to see a more real, more clean break through that low. All right, it took out the low right there. Chad, it took out the low. Look at that reaction, bro. The news is coming at the next 5 minutes. We have 5 minutes left for the news, chat. Be careful if you take any trade. Just have a bigger stop loss and just lessen your risk on that trade. How about gold? Bro, I already explained uh, some outlook about gold, bro. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna go lower. It might just take out that low, then run higher. Let me just go to a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we might see uh, there are 2 to 3 things can happen on gold right now. We might see after gold take out that low right there, it can go higher. Another way is it can take out that swing low also, or it can just go down. But if you want to see some longs right there, just wait for a close of that high. Just wait for a close. You can, I think you can have a buy limit there, buy stop there, and put your stop loss right there. Just have a buy stop limit order right there, and yeah, have a bigger stop loss. All right, we still do not see any swing low yet. No mention, bro. All right, let me just turn on the webcam again. All right, there we go. We have like 3 minutes left for the news chat. We have like 3 minutes. Yep. Now it's 2 minutes. Give me a moment, chat. Let me just grab my power bank. All right. All right, 1 minute 30 seconds left for the news. Let's have a look at CAD, bro. Well, I missed it. There is CAD. CAD, I kind of think like CAD's maybe they will take some retracement into that hourly fair value gap and then drop. That's the first scenario we're probably gonna see, and the next one that we might just keep going higher when we hit the news. Like these are the two scenarios we'll probably see on CAT when we hit the news. All right, 50 seconds left for the news chat. Be careful. Da 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 do 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 do. All right, Geo tapped into the OT. If we go higher, all right, 2 seconds left, 1 second, boom. There we go. Let me just check on the news a bit. Is it pending right now? All right, it's pending. Come on, negative, cat negative. CPI 1 minus 1%. All right, say took out that low chat. Say something, bro. Just say something. Took out that low. I told you guys that we would probably see some SMT like that on Euro. And if you see GBP, GBP did not took out that low yet. It did not took out that low. Just wait, chat. And TSD cat moving higher. All right, some more pending right now. Another one pending. All of those are like positive for cat, bro. No, not positive. One is negative for cat. The first one minus 1.1%, and uh, the rest of those three news for cat are the same as the forecast numbers. Yep. There's nothing to watch right now. Let's go. Boom, bro. That's how you read price chat. Pin up some W's in the chat right now. See, I told you that we would tap into the OT level. Right now, I would not suggest you to go long. Just wait for this high. Wait for a closure above that high. Then, if we see price take out that low, then there's no setup. You should just stay off the charts today. We took out the low on euro. Yep. No, bro. I think we did not took out the low yet. Alright, there's still some time left. Right, let's see. Did gold move higher, Chad? Alright, gold took out that low, and there we see a order block, bullish order block to the left. Can it like go higher right now, or is it gonna just go lower, bro? I don't know. I'm okay, bro. I got my money today, just maybe a couple hundreds, but yeah, I'm okay with that, bro. I don't want any more money, bro, today. Cause I don't see anything clean today. All right, it's gonna go to that level, bro. USD CAD probably gonna take out that swing low right there and tap into that CB probably, and then fall. We also have. I don't think we're gonna go down. We wanna go down on uh, from OT level anymore because we have taken a major liquidity pull on the daily time frame, bro. That low right there was a sort of drawn liquidity for USD CAD. So we might just continue, keep going higher, and these are the two POI for me. All right, we did not took out any low yet. Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yep, if you're new here, just sub up, bro. What do we see? Nothing on here. So what the fuck? This motherfucker going higher, bro. What the fuck? Damn. Damn, bro. Fuck. No setup, bro. Do you think you will stop? Will still keep buying? I think, bro, you can still go higher. What the fuck? But GU is the best. Now you can go long on euro, bro. Just watch how this fair value, this CB right here hold price. Just watch how we react off of that CB. If we see a close above that, you can go long. Yeah, like this, you can go long and put your stop loss right below that low. If we think that price gonna keep going higher, but that's like a 60-40% chance there. We see an SMT right there with GU though, right there. We do have an SMT right there. Yep. But I think GU's probably gonna uh, move cleaner than Euro today. Yeah, that's the setup right there. Chad, just look where the candle of the news opened, bro. Just look at that candle, bro. Where did that open? At the OT level, bro. What did I say, bro? It opened exactly at the low of the OT of the fib, bro. Let me go to a lower time frame, so that's gonna be more uh, cleaner. Chat, let's just look how price respect those BC right there. Let me just have some analysis for you guys. All right, I'll see if we can, if we respect those levels, then I would suggest you to go long. But until then, just wait. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. If price inverted that fair value gap on euro, uh, we might go higher. But there are a couple more things to consider, bro. We'll go to a lower time frame. If you're trading a 5 minute time frame, go to the 1 minute time frame. Just look for some uh, bullish PDRS. Maybe it could be a fair value gap or could be some order blocks or whatever you use. Just wait to wait and see how price reacts of those. All right, we tap into that and we do not see any reaction right now. We rejected from their chat. Let me give you the best example from there right there. Chat, if we close exactly at the same high of the news candles, the current candle, if that close at the exact high of the previous candle, we're going high, bros. We're gonna go high. Just let's just see. I think we're gonna close at the. No, we did not. We did not close at that high. So let me just use the lower time frame. If price inverted. Chad, wait for a little bit more until we reach the 845 to, yeah, 845 to 915. Just wait for that window, Chad. If we are to go higher today on Euro or GU, just wait for this window. We might see some manipulation during that time window. Tum, parum, tum, tum, parum, tum, tum, parum, tum, tum. What's gold doing, bro? Where are you? Damn, bro. Gold's keep pushing lower, bro. Damn. Are we gonna take out that low? All right. I think we're gonna take out that low right there. Let me just take this off. The next low is this one. If we like don't see any failure swing there, I mean any swing low below that swing low, we will keep going lower and maybe take out the Asian sessions low because these two highs, I mean these two swing lows are too clean, bro. These two swing lows are too relative. Yep. Right, we tap into one CB right now. I wanna see this inverted. Let me just take this off. What G is doing? All right, GU tapped into the fair value gap right there. Chad, if you wanna go long, you can on GU, but it's up to you. Let me just see something. Wait. Chad, you can go long on GBP, bro. You can go long right now. Just have your stop loss right below that low. I don't want you to waste too much on the trade, just like this one. And do not target too much. If yeah, you should probably target that New York session high. And one price take out that swing high right there, just take something off. And Q, bro, there's, let me just pull up the chart. Wait, let me just pull up the chart. What do we have on NQ? Right, we have a 4-hour DC right there. On the 1 hour there's something lows. I think it's gonna let's look at that. We haven't taken out that low on NAS. All right, this one NAS will go higher, chat. NAS will go higher from here. Not too much, but you, I don't know if it's gonna reach up to there, but you can probably get like 10 to 20 points on NAS easily, bro. Because we have another SMT right now on NAS, right? That one. It tap into this order block. We have a SMT right there on a 15-minute time frame. We have another SMT on the 1 minute time frame. Now it's going higher. You could have like entered on this tab right there. That candle right there, it just tapped into the propulsion order block, and yep, you could like get this high as internal liquidity. So how much point was that? But it was like 11 points on indices. Yep, NAS probably gonna continue higher. US 30, so that's a shit. US 30 just moving like shit these 2 or 3 days. It's still hanging around that 15-minute CB right there. Yeah, it's still hanging around that 15-minute CB. It didn't broke out, I mean, break any of that low. There's nothing clean on US 30 unless we see the London close high or low broken. There's nothing I can say for US 30 chat. By the way, wow, wait. Do we have any S&P? No, we do not. All right, let's go to euro. It's all right. GU's already moving, bro. GU's already moving. I've been shaking, drinking all this coffee. This last 2 weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in imagine. All right, it's about to hit like 1 hour on that trade. So yeah, as soon as we take out that high, take like 30 to 40% off of the trade chat. Pow, pow, pow. Where are you, G? There it is. G is gonna go higher. Bro, GU did gave another chance there. GU did gave another chance right there. Let's have a look at euro. All right, euro inverted that one right there. Inverted that CB right there. Let's see how it continue from that point. And here's the cat. Is there anything? No. Anything? No. Come on, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? There's nothing on this. These right. All right, NQ is about to take out that high. All right, it's about to take out that high right there. Bro, that was a decent move from there. But I feel like these days NQ moving cleaner during the after the lunch hour, bro. If you like uh, see the charts, you'll see some nice clean setup during after the lunch hour, especially during I think 2:45 to 3:15 a.m. That's the best time, I guess. Mm, 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 mm. Let's go back to you, G. Yep. All right. Do you already took out that high right there, chat? Take something off. Take something off of your trade, bro. Take something off. All right. It's about to hey. It didn't took out that high yet. Wait a little bit, little more. I guess 2 or 3 seconds. Come on, give a push, bro. Come on. Euro is also about to take out that high. That's like 1.36373. Alright, Chad, it took out the high. You can take 50% off of your trade. Did Euro took out that high? Alright, Chad, Euro failed to take out that high. So I think we might go lower and take out that low. Yup, bros. We might go lower. Da 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 da. Alright, let's see. Now I tap into that order block one more time. And there is also a small fair value gap right there. So below that low 1.36349. All right. Alrighty. Alrighty, bro. I sold US 30 earlier today in London. Great, bro. What the fuck? Yup, it's going higher, bros. Come on, give us some push here, bros. Chat, how many of you took that trade? How many of you took that trade, chat? Tell me in the live chat right now. Damn, it's moving crazy on the uh, on MT5, but it's delaying on the trading view, bro. All right, I'm out. Chad, I'm out. I'm out for today. To W today. I'm out. I did enough today, bros. I don't need any more. You can hold on to that trade. Just you can put your stop loss right below that order block. Put your stop loss right below that. Let me just show you. Put your stop loss right below that low. Right below that low. Chat, put some W's in the live chat right now. Put some W's in the chat right now. Not a good setup though. By the way, what do you say, bro? If your point of view might be uh, different from mine, bro. How could you possibly say that this right here is not a good setup, bro? It perfectly moved where from where I said we wanna see some support. Just look at those moves, bro. What are you even saying? If you didn't take that trade, it's your loss. I mean, not loss, but yeah, you should just stick to your analysis, bro. Chad, I think you should probably get out of the trade. Yeah, I see we tap into this fair value gap right now. It take another 20 to 30% off of the trade chat. Take like just leave like 20% on the trade right now. Move your stop loss to break even, leave 20%. Just let it run. If it even hits you, let it be. I'm up on $100 on Bitcoin. Great, bro. Thumbs up, bros. Chad, how many of you made money on this trade right here? Put it on the chat. How much did you guys make? All right. Chad, I already told you, take leave like 20%, just take everything else off of your trade right now. And right, if that trade go against right now, it's not on me though. I'm happy with my analysis, bro. You should be, bro. Just like me, I'm always happy with my analysis. I didn't say anyone to took any trade. I didn't even say I took a long when price was right here. But I bought two contracts, one on that order block tap, and another one was right at that high. So I took two position on the trade. Bro, not gonna lie, we already saw some nice move during the London session. So how could you expect price to move at that same speed during the New York session, bro? It's gonna be choppy, but this is not the like usual scenario choppy market has. I mean has. Sorry, bros. So whatever, chat. As long as we make money, we don't care about anything else. But you should stick to your model, bro. I just took two trades in front of you guys. You saw me analyze those trades in front of you, and yeah, I'm I'm just gonna keep my hand up, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. Okay, let's go to Nas. Let's have a look at Nas. What's Nas doing? All right, Nas tapped one more time on into that bullish order block. Yes, made a lower, bro. How many chance do you need, bro? We have like two SMT right there. Two SMT. Just look at that, bro. All right, we still didn't took out that low. All right, we took out the low. Did it happen into that low right there? No, it did not. So I would probably use the high. So if you went long on that low right there, you should have. Uh, Let me just take this as a trade, more like this. So if I was long on that trade, I would probably take a trade like this, and yeah, I would probably take out like 50 to 60% off of the trade when we hit that target, and here leave the rest to run. Bro, the thing is that as long as I see my analysis playing out on the screen, I'm okay to take a trade. But that doesn't mean that I'm gonna take every trade, every fair value gap setups I see. The only the ones that aligns with my analysis. That's why you saw me just to take two trades today. And I streamed like 1.5 hour today, and within that 1.5 hour to two trade, I could have taken like 5 or 10 trades. So yeah, I stick to my analysis and just yep, took two trades, bro. Pop, 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 pop. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. Yep. And what the fuck, bro? Whenever I look at US 30, I feel like I should just delete that pair from the charts, bro. Yeah, it's probably gonna reach for the that low right there. Let me just take all this to the left. I wanna see US 30 take out that low.